Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem if your T-Mobile access point is not connecting. Now, sometimes the mesh device may not pair with the main gateway, or it may show a blinking light and fail to extend your Wi-Fi network. The good news is that most of these issues are easy to fix and only take a few minutes. So first thing that you should do is you need to restart both of the devices. For that, first of all, simply unplug the T-Mobile gateway and the mesh access point from the power outlet. Afterwards, you just have to wait for 30 seconds and then plug the gateway back in first. Now give the gateway a few minutes to fully start up. After that, plug the mesh access point back in. A simple restart often fixes the temporary connection problems. Another common reason the mesh access point doesn't connect is the weak signal during the setup. So you can try placing the mesh device closer to the main gateway while pairing it. Once the connection is successful, you can move it to the another room. You can also look at the LED light on the mesh access point. If the light is blinking for a long time, it usually means that the device is still trying to connect to the gateway. If the light becomes solid, that normally means that the connection is successful. If it keeps blinking or shows an error color, the device may need to be paired again. Now you can also check the T-Mobile internet application. After opening the app, simply check your connected devices. The mesh access point should appear in the Wi-Fi networks list. If the mesh access point still doesn't connect, you can try resetting it. For that, you need to simply press the power button or the reset button on the device, then press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. After the reset, open the T-Mobile internet application and set up the mesh device again like a new extender. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.